Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to boost your device speed on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. So if you feel like your Redmi Note 14 Pro is running a bit slow and you want to boost the speed, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up security. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find boost speed. So this will make your device 23% faster. So it has already analyzed your phone and has given this figure. So go ahead and tap on this. And now let Redmi Note 14 Pro do its job. It has analyzed what you can clear. Go ahead and tap on boost speed. And this will basically close all the open apps. So as you can see, it has freed up 2 GB of space and your device is now 22% faster. Below you can see the available memory, which is 4.9 GB. So there you go guys. That is how to boost your device speed on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.